felt the warning in your chest, but pushed ahead and gave your best. The edge was clear, the pace too fast. You carried more than meant to last. Where once felt strong began to strain, balance lost beneath the gain. Now you see where pressure grew from stepping past what held you true. There is no blame in what you face, only truth asking for space. Regret arrives to help you see where limits guard stability. When you cross, then pause and learn. Balance waits for your return. The weight you feel is not a curse, it simply shows where things reversed. Taking ownership clears the fog, restores the ground you walked upon. No judgment here, no lasting mark, just guidance drawn from pushing hard. Responsibility resets the calm you nearly lost to stress. There is no blame in what you face, only truth asking for space. Regret arrives to help you see where limits guard stability. When you cross, then pause and learn. Balance waits for your return. So strength can realign. Correction steadies what was bent and turns excess to good intent. Stand again on measured ground. Harmony is what you found.